As a user, the experience with the system is a perfect one. One of the additional benefits is that you can integrate the microscope in the clinical network and in the clinical IT system, but you also, as a surgeon, can use the new microscope and its technology for on-demand video or images, which you sometimes like to have for documentation during the surgery and after the surgery. The connectivity on the field of IT technologies, especially also for the TIVATO 700, is important in the days of documentation and patient safety. I'm very sure that in the future this type of documentation might be required by insurance companies or by the patient itself, and it's also always helpful that you can demonstrate specific parts of a surgery to interested patients. This is the music of the time and the future. Connectivity has to be mandatory, and it's important for every hospital that intraoperative sequences, videos and photos should be without any problem being connected to the IT system of the hospital. And also, of course, for apps and other things, it's important that a very easy and quick connectivity.